Global instability got you worried? Wars, trade, tensions, inflation spikes, USA, Europe, Russia, or China. It feels like the world's on edge. But here's the truth. You can still build wealth starting with just 200 euros or $200 a month. I'm Nate Warrington, former financial consultant with a financial experience running my own company, which is the W.A.R Strategies Group, helping people like you get informed. I will not be selling any type of product in this video. This is an informative video for educational purposes, and I'd like to add a disclaimer at this point. Please consult with your trusted, certified professional before making a move in the investment game, which is not hard, but it's always good to have a good buddy. So stick with me for the next 7 minutes, and I'll show you how to thrive no matter what's happening in the world. Let's get in. Let's face it, the world is chaotic. Interest rates are volatile. Inflation is eating away at the savings. Europe, where I'm living, is grappling with energy crisis, and that's another story why. Russia and China, trade wars, sanctions, tariffs are reshaping economies. Waiting for stability is a losing game. I spent 7 years as a financial consultant, and now through Wise and Rich Strategies Group, I'm helping people. All you need is a plan. You don't need millions to start. There's been plenty of millionaires that are now broke. So how do you build wealth when the world is unpredictable? It's simple. Discipline, as I said before, consistent investing. Let's break it down. With just $200 or euros a month, you can start creating a financial safety net. Here's how. Invest in low-cost index funds, and these track markets like the S&P 500, S&P Standard & Poor's, which despite short-term dips, average about 7 to 10% of returns over the decade. For example, invest in $200 a month at a 8% return could grow over to $100,000 in 20 years. That's the power of compound interest. In German, Zins. Diversify globally. Think logical. What are you doing? You're participating on the global market. Companies such as Apple, Microsoft, Allianz Insurance, all the known McDonald's. Anyway, don't put all of your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across USA, Europe, and the emerging markets like China to reduce risk. And stay the course. This is money which you put away, which you know you're not going to touch. Let's take a fictitious character, a teacher, 35 years old, started investing $200 a month in a diversified ETF, which is an index fund. 5 years later, she's got about 15,000 euros saved, even through market volatility. And that is also something to think about. Now here's the game changer. Investing alone isn't enough. To truly secure your future, plan, as I mentioned before, to become independent. Start your own business. Doesn't have to be huge, not a big investment, just a side hustle, like consulting, e-commerce, or freelancing. And I do all three. This can give you extra income streams. As I mentioned before, after my journey as a financial consultant, also in the hotel industry, I founded the W.A.R Strategies Group, Wise and Rich Strategies Group, with the objective to help people like you live better lives. A business gives you control, independence, and flexibility, and a hedge against economic instability. It could be a small online tutoring business, and through the investments which you've made, the monthly investments of 200 euros, or in a phone or your own business, in a few years you can generate 1,000 euros or dollars a month extra. So independence isn't just a dream, it's your strategy. And in today's world, it's a must. Now, some of you may be thinking, what about inflation or market crashes? Of course, I get it. Don't let fear stop you, because the fear is when you lose. What I've learned as a consultant, waiting for the perfect time means missing out. Global instability is the new normal. The key is starting small and staying consistent. 200 euros or $200 a month isn't pocket change for some people, but it's your future. And starting a business is not as hard as you think. With platforms like Etsy, Printful, Upwork, Wix, LinkedIn, you can start today. My team at W.A.R Strategies Group have helped many people get started, and we can help you as well. So what's your next step? Start today. Set aside 200 euros a month. Skip a few coffees or subscriptions if you have to. Open a low-cost brokerage account and invest in mutual funds. And then start planning your business. It could be consulting, like I've done, or something you're really passionate about. The goal is independence, financial and personal. We're here to help. Drop your questions in the comments or reach out to me directly through our website or write an email here's our email address below. I've been on the market now for about 24 years running my own company with its ups and downs to make lives better. Yours can be next. Don't let global instability stop you. The world may be uncertain, but your future doesn't have to be. Subscribe, share this video, click that like button, and let's get moving. I'm not here to sell you any type of product, as I mentioned before, and it's not my business nowadays. I wish you good health, success in your life, and hope to hear from you soon. Bye-bye.